Meanwhile, Permanent Secretary in the Office of the Prime Minister, Audrey Sewell, is defending a permanent secretaries. Ms. Sewell told the PAAC that she does not have resources to closely supervise a chief executive officer, and permanent secretaries do not have the authority to instruct them. That, she says, is the remit of a board chairman. Ms. Sewell adds that certain matters are usually brought to the attention of the Auditor General or the relevant authority.
And so permanent secretaries get a lot of flack for things that, by law, we have no authority, no power to address. I have come here several times, not because of what has happened in my ministry, over which I have authority and responsibility,
but because of
mess that has been created in agencies that we as permanent secretaries are now expected to walk behind them and clean up, and it's not fair to permanent secretaries.
She is therefore calling for the governance structure of state agencies to be addressed.